Hello guys, so I got my TORRAS Ostand Q3 Air for iPhone 17 Pro Max. So I bought this one in Amazon. I've been using TORRAS since my iPhone 15, so I really love this brand. So let's unbox this. So this is the orange. It also comes with a quick guide. So it shows how you install your iPhone case. So installation from top to bottom and removal from top to bottom as well. And it comes with a replacement button, of course the iPhone case. So we'll try the orange case with the orange iPhone. It has air cushion, guys, so whenever you drop your phone, I'm not gonna do it, but it absorbs the impact. There's also a branding name here, TORRAS and the Air. Let's try to turn it on. So let's try the green one or the blue one. I don't know what color is this. Let's try this with a silver iPhone. I got my wallpaper matched with the iPhone case, guys. And now let's try this blue case with the orange iPhone. And now let's try the silver iPhone with the orange case. I really love the silver iPhone because it looks good whatever case you use. So that's it, TORRAS Ostand Q3 Air for iPhone 17 Pro Max.